I'm George Ratiu, Manager of Economic Research with Realtor.com. We experienced an impactful week as Hurricane Ida made landfall in Louisiana, bringing major floods and devastation across large swaths of the country. While the human toll was immediate, the economic one will take a while to calculate. Amid this backdrop, the economy and real estate markets continue to make progress toward a new normal. The manufacturing sector expanded in August with both new orders and production rising. However, U.S. companies are still struggling with global supply bottlenecks and labor challenges. Speaking of supply challenges, some car companies had to halt production at factories due to the global semiconductor shortage. Car dealers have only about 23 days of inventory on lots, 27 fewer than in 2020. In turn, sales of new cars and pickup trucks were lower than expected in August. In a turn of good news, jobless claims dropped to the lowest number since March 14, 2020, when the pandemic pushed the country into lockdowns. At the same time, August employment advanced, but the number of new jobs came in well below expectations as the rising Delta variant cases took a toll. The headline unemployment rate declined to 5.2%. Even with improvements, economic uncertainty cast a large shadow over consumer confidence. The August Conference Board's index dropped to a 6-month low. We are running into headwinds at the tail end of summer. However, real estate markets are leading the way toward normalization, with construction spending rising in July as lumber prices declined. Residential construction was the only driver of growth during the month, while commercial projects faltered, especially offices. With single-family construction up 47% from a year ago, we can expect more inventory in the months ahead. Supply is rising not only for new homes, but for existing ones as well. Realtor.com's August housing data showed 432,000 homeowners decided to list their homes for sale. Crucially, these newly listed homes are smaller and more affordable, which is good news for first-time buyers. More supply was also mirrored in recent Realtor.com weekly figures. Price gains are now decidedly down in single-digit territory, placing the overheated market of the past year in the rearview mirror. We are entering a golden window of opportunity for both sellers and buyers in the next few months as more inventory and cooling price growth combine with favorable mortgage rates for a market trifecta. Meanwhile, July contract signings reflected a period in which Americans embraced the sunshine and much-needed vacations, with pending sales declining in all regions except the West. Moving toward the cooler months, stay safe, enjoy time with family, and keep an eye on markets with new research from Realtor.com.